In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image in Google Slides circular. This technique can give your presentation a polished and professional look and is especially useful when you're trying to create visually appealing slides. Whether you're designing a business presentation, a school project, or a personal photo album, transforming images into circles can be both fun and incredibly effective. To start, open your Google Slides presentation and navigate to the slide where your image is located. Once there, click on the image you want to transform into a circle. Selecting your image ensures that Google Slides knows exactly what element you're looking to edit. Next, look for the crop icon in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Right next to this icon, you'll find a small arrow pointing downwards. This arrow provides access to the Mask Image menu, where you can find a variety of shapes to crop your image into. Click the arrow to open up this drop-down menu. Now, within the Mask Image menu, you'll see an array of different shapes. For our purpose, we're interested in the circle shape. Go ahead and select the circle from this list. As soon as you do this, you'll notice that your image is instantly cropped into a circular shape. It's a simple yet powerful way to change the visual dynamics of your slide. At this point, you might find that the circle doesn't perfectly fit your image, or perhaps the focus of your image is not exactly where you would like it to be. Don't worry. Adjustments are easy. Click on the crop icon once again. This puts you into a mode where you can see black handles around your circular image. By clicking and dragging these handles, you can adjust the size of the circle to better encompass the part of the image you desire. Additionally, you can reposition the image within this circle by clicking on the image inside the circular crop area and dragging it. This allows you to center the most important parts of your image within the circle, ensuring that your image appears exactly as you envisioned. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, simply click outside of the image. This action finalizes the circular crop and returns your screen to the regular editing view in Google Slides. And there you have it. Your image is now in a perfect circle, seamlessly integrated into your presentation. Feel free to experiment with different images and shapes to see what best fits your presentation theme. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your next visual masterpiece in Google Slides.